school leaders. I'm going to be running a seminar in Melbourne really shortly. It's going to be on the 15th of May, 4 hours, where we're going to be looking at the art of school culture leadership. Yes, there's some art involved in this. There's some design. There's some high-level thinking about what your school really needs and getting to work on that. But it's preceded by some science. We're going to have a look at how some of the habits and patterns that we've developed in our schools, I guess, that have been more specifically inclined towards a model of educating young people that could be best described as being for the industrial age. And we're going to say, okay, now that we know that, what do we need to unlearn around that? And what do we need to relearn in terms of contemporary brain science, in terms of the way that young people are wired to cooperate and learn and work together and to make progress in each other's company? And how could we make that happen in your school? And that's where we transition to the art part of it. It's just 4 hours. And I really think that it could be a 4-hour opportunity for your school to kind of discover your North Star, discover the direction that you want your school to walk towards in the next few years. The other workshop is going to be on the day preceding, on the 14th of May, and it's called Restorative Classrooms, Strong Classrooms. For some time now, I've been advocating the benefits for teachers of working restoratively, and I'd love the teachers in your school, or you, if you're a teacher, to get those benefits too, of chiefly being consistent, of being less stressed, and of being more effective in working with young people. The strategies are incredibly practical and can be deployed straight away. And I really think that whether you're a teacher or a school leader, getting access to the strategies that we're going to be talking about in both of these events is something that your school could benefit from straight away. I'd like you to embrace the idea that this could be a turning point for your school, just by investing a little bit of time in either yourself as an educator or as a school leader, to actually narrow the gap between what you're doing in your school every day and what you believe about working with young people. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.